Hello everyone. To study real number system, we have divided it into 4 sections, in which 2 sections A and B have already been completed. In this video, we are going to study third section C. This section is the most important. Keyword of this section are decimal fraction, terminating decimal, non-terminating decimal, non-terminating repeating decimal, non-terminating non-repeating decimal, pure recurring or repeating decimal, mixed recurring or repeating decimal. Decimal fraction. A decimal fraction is a way of representing a part of whole using decimal point. For example, 0.5, 0.35, 2.75, 1.3 bar, 4.0 bar upon 7, etc. Decimal fractions have been divided into 2 parts, terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. A decimal in which number of digits after decimal point is finite is called terminating decimal. For example, 2.35, here number of digits after decimal point is 2, here the number of digits after decimal point is 3, here number of digits after decimal point is 1, here number of digits after decimal point is 4. All are terminating decimal. Terminating decimal is the decimal expansion of rational number. Non-terminating decimal. A decimal in which number of digits after decimal point is not finite is called non-terminating decimal. For example, 0.333 and so on, 1.21737373 and so on, 0.01, 001, 0001 and so on, and decimal expansion of irrational number root under 2 is equal to 1.414 and so on. So, non-terminating decimal may be the decimal expansion of either rational number or irrational number. There are 2 parts of non-terminating decimal. First is recurring, that is repeating decimal. Second is non-recurring, that is non-repeating decimal. Full name of first part is non-terminating repeating decimal or recurring decimal. A non-terminating decimal in which digits after the decimal point repeat is called non-terminating recurring or repeating decimal. For example, 1.333 and so on is equal to 1 bar upon 3. 5.020202 and so on is equal to 5 bar upon 02. 7.147777 and so on is equal to 7.14 bar upon 7. Non-terminating repeating decimal, this is the decimal expansion of rational number. Decimal expansion of rational number is either terminating or non-terminating, recurring or repeating. Second type of non-terminating decimal is non-repeating decimal. Its full name is non-terminating non-repeating, that is non-recurring decimal. A non-terminating decimal in which digits after decimal point do not repeat is called non-terminating, non-repeating, or non-recurring decimal. For example, 1.1010010010001 and so on. 5.2323 233 2333 and so on. Irrational number root under 2 is equal to 1.4142135 and so and so. Root under 3 1.73205080 and so on, etc. Decimal expansion of irrational number is non-terminating, non-recurring, that is non-repeating decimal. There are two parts of non-terminating repeating decimal. First is pure repeating decimal and second is mixed repeating decimal. A non-terminating recurring decimal in which all digits after decimal point repeat is called pure recurring or repeating decimal. Example 0.53, 53, 53 and so on is equal to 0.53 bar upon 53. Mixed recurring or repeating decimal or non-terminating recurring decimal in which some digits after decimal point do not repeat, after that all digits repeat is called mixed recurring or repeating decimal. For example, 5.0333 is equal to 5.0 bar upon only 3 because 0 do not repeat. 2.12353535 and so on is equal to 2.12 bar upon 35. Terminating decimal and repeating decimal which represent rational number can be changed into simple fraction, while non-terminating decimal which represent irrational number can't be changed into simple fraction. To change terminating decimal into simple fraction, we have to put all digits, after that 1 for point and number of 0 is equal to number of digits after decimal point. Now we have to change repeating decimal into simple fraction. We know that repeating decimals are of two kinds: pure repeating decimal and mixed repeating decimal. First, pure repeating decimal. In pure repeating decimal, all the digits after decimal point repeat. Change 1.3 bar into simple fraction. Here x is equal to 1.3 bar, that is x is equal to 1.333 and so on. This is the first equation. Multiplying by 10 on both sides. Here we multiply by 10 to move one digit on which bar to the left of the decimal point. That is 10x is equal to 13.333 and so on. This is the second equation. Equation 2 minus equation 1, that is 9x is equal to 12. Therefore x is equal to 4/3. Now we change mixed repeating decimal into simple fraction. Change 2.0 bar upon 12 into simple fraction. In mixed repeating decimal, some digits after decimal do not repeat. After that, all digits repeat. Here x is equal to 2.0 bar upon 12. That is, x is equal to 2.0121212 and so on. This is the first equation. Both sides we multiplying by 10. Firstly, we have to move the digit which does not have bar to the left, to the left of the decimal point. So we multiply by 10. 10x is equal to 20.121212 and so on. Then we have to move the digits which have bar upon it, that is 12. So we both sides multiplying by 100. 1000x is equal to 2012.121212 and so on. This is the third equation. Now subtract equation 2 from 3. 990x is equal to 1992. That is, x is equal to 1992 by 990. Simplest form of it is 332 by 160. To change pure repeating decimal into simple fraction, we need only two equations, while to change mixed repeating decimal into simple fraction, we need three equations. In the next video, we will study the fourth section, D. Thank you.